Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to clear cookies in Brave browser. So to start, open up Brave browser. So if you set password, go ahead and type it in and log in. So once you open Brave browser, so what we need to do is to click the three lines at the top right, then go to the bottom and click settings. Now once you're on settings at the left side, go ahead and click privacy and security. Next, so here under privacy and security, click delete browsing data. Now in here, so at the top, you can choose the time frame. You can choose all the time, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, etc. You can also click delete data on exit. So just click on that and check the box right here. But let's go back to delete browsing data. And down here at the bottom, make sure you check cookies and other site data and also cache images and files. You can also check browsing history, Leo AI, download history, etc. But we're going to focus on these two right here. Now, once done, go to the bottom and click delete from this device. So it's now deleted, and that's basically it. So again, just click the three lines at the top, go to settings, go to privacy and security, then go to delete browsing data, choose a time frame and check cookies and cache images and files. And confirm the action, and that's it. Thank you for watching.